What if trading felt as simple as using a normal finance app, but powered by crypto? TradeFi stands for trading and finance. It's the bridge between traditional finance and crypto trading. Instead of complicated wallets and confusing DeFi tools, TradeFi gives you a simple, user-friendly experience. You can trade crypto like BTC and ETH, US stocks, and assets like gold and silver, all in one place. Platforms like SuperEx are already building this, making trading faster, easier, and more accessible. Lower learning curve, smoother experience, better liquidity. It's not just for experts anymore. TradeFi isn't replacing crypto, it's making it usable, and that's how mass adoption begins.